Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm in Orlando, Florida. I'm at the Andretti Indoor Karting and Games. This is a very active place. You're going to have a lot of fun here, so you stay with us. One of the many things that you'll see when you drive around Orlando might be this big building with that A. Have you ever wondered what's inside? Well, we decided we're going to go in and we're going to check it out. First thing we saw was this bowling area. It was all lit up and there was a lot of people. As I looked around, I almost felt like I was in a casino. I suppose when you buy a card and spend money to win prizes, it kind of is a casino. Look at the bowling. There's like 6 alleys, I believe, and it's all lit up and everybody seemed to have fun. And there's prices up top for all the things that you might want to do because there's quite a variety here. So then we noticed that if you want to get a card to use, you put money in there, just like you would a casino. Put money in there and then you can walk around and play arcade games. Now there's a little bar up there if you want to go. And we went to the left. We wanted to see what was going on. Some kind of virtual reality game over here. We didn't play it and we didn't see anyone play it all night. But it looked like a lot of fun for those of you who want to give that a try. But we're going to take a look at a lot of the arcade games. Over here is an area to eat and the restrooms. You can just follow the signs. And we said, let's see what kind of arcade games they got. And they have a lot. Look at them all. Since this is Andretti's, I'm not surprised to see a lot of car racing games. That is definitely a theme here. There's also things to get tickets. Hey, that's Tom Brady. How cool is that? A lot of the games are built around getting tickets so you could turn in the tickets and get prizes. Kids love that. Here's a skee ball area over here and to shoot some hoops if that's what you're good at. Other kinds of games that are similar. Good for all ages, really. There was something, for everybody. There was even some pinball machines. I mean, anybody could play these. You don't have to be young or you don't have to be old. And here's some games, try to win some money. But the money is really just tokens that go towards tickets. Here is another car racing type of game, Typhoon. There is a virtual reality game up there. If you're looking to play laser tag, I saw that it was over here in the area near the arcades, right there, and that looked all lit up and really cool. Then over here, I saw that there were some lines, and I wanted to see exactly what the lines were about. I knew it had to have something to do with racing, and on this side, I found there was, for children, little racetrack, little Andretti racetrack. How cute. Then I saw this all tracks where there was a bigger line. Now these were more for adults. And I don't know if you have to have a number of people, if they start at certain times. I don't know the details. You'd have to inquire further. But I'm going to show you a little bit about what the tracks look like. It looks like you have to pay and get ready over there. It looks more intense, and this is what I found. Now I saw that there was another bar. There's the Sky Bar, which is up top. Go up the stairs or up the elevators. We are going to get a card. We're going to get a $10 card, and we're going to see how many games we can play and what we can win to show you what $10 in a card is like. Before we do that, I want to show you this zombie game. I was caught checking out the zombie game. I always like anything called zombie, but it didn't look too exciting. Not as exciting as it sounded. And also, there are some air hockey games. You like air hockey? Who doesn't like air hockey? The Space Invader game was huge. You can sit or you can stand and play, and it was so exciting to watch. I love Space Invaders. So now we bought that $10 card. That's all I wanted to play was $10. I wanted to see what I could do. So this was the first game we played. You put the card in and it takes the points off and you get to spin. So we won 25 tickets. Now the next game we played was Whack-A-Mole. Although in this case I think it was called Whack-A-Zombie. And once again, all we got was 25 tickets. So this was the next game, and you just had to drop coins that they gave you once you put your card in. And they would tell you how many points or how many tokens you got back. Let's see what happens. All we got in this one was 6 tickets. Not very good. So we had 45 points left on the card, and this was the only game we could find that was for 45 points. So we tried this one. Go ahead. Yay, jackpot! That's a lot of tickets. So we hit the jackpot. We got 1,710 tickets. It took a long time to register, and right now I was wishing I was at the casino. And these were coins. Eventually, it did get there. And once it got there, our next thing was now we have to bring it and figure out what prize we want. How much can 1710 in tickets plus, I think, 25, and 6, how much can that in total bring us? What can we get spending $10 and actually hitting the jackpot here? Let's go find out. So this is it. We got a squishy Captain America, 2 oversized jumbo playing cards, and look at that, some kind of squishy hamburger treat. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up. We have a lot of videos on places to go in Orlando, so make sure you watch them all.